Hi, today I'm in front of me HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to the left down corner to OK. So we can see now information about our battery health. In my case, the battery is in good condition. So also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage and more other info. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.